Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll crochet a super cute Christmas tree keychain, perfect for decorating your bags, gifting to friends, or selling at craft fairs. Before we start, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support gives us so much motivation to create more crochet tutorials for you. For this project, you will need 3mm yarn, a 2.5mm hook, scissors, stuffing, optional, and a keychain ring. And make sure to watch the video until the end. It really helps our channel grow and encourages us to make many more crochet ideas for you. Let's get started. For round 1, make a magic ring, work 16 DC into the ring, then slice to close. Tip, gently shape the circle if needed. Encouragement, great start, you've made the base of the tree. Next to round 2, Chi 3 4 DC, Chi 1 5 DC, Ski 2 5 DC, Chi 1 5 DC, Ski 2 5 DC, Chi 1 5 DC, Ske 1, Ske 1, Ske 1, Ske 1 to Ske 1, Ske 1, Ske 1, Ske 1 to finish. Tip, keep your tension even to form neat tree layers. Encouragement, amazing, the tree shape is appearing beautifully. For round rear, Triski, Scan, Tiu, Disse, Skitver, 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 Tiu, Disse, Skitver, 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 10 DC, Esk 2, 3 SC, SLT to close. Tip, slow down around the curves for smooth edges. Encouragement, wonderful job, your tree is now fully shaped. For the trunk, rows 1, 3, Chat 1 work 7 SC across for each row, 3 rows total. Tip: keep your stitches tight for a firm trunk. Encouragement: you're nearly done, just the edging left. For the edging, work 1 round of slashed evenly around the entire tree. Tip: avoid pulling too tight to keep the outline smooth. Encouragement: perfect your Christmas tree keychain is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss new crochet ideas. Your support means the world to us and motivates us to keep creating more videos. See you next time.